Welcome to Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. Every week I hunt down the coolest, weirdest, and best-priced airplanes for sale online. Let's see what's waiting in the hangars this time. One 1947 Luscombe 8A, $19,000, Oroville, California. A clean Luscombe project with a fresh A65, just 2 hours since major overhaul, plus a new McCauley prop and rebuilt mags. Annual is current and all logs are there except the original engine log. But a new one has been created with every AD signed off. Chrome cylinders are still seating, so oil consumption is up for now, but the price is hard to ignore. Great little entry-level classic. 2 Stinson 108-2, $26,000 OBO, Ennis, Montana. A Stinson 108-2 with a freshly overhauled Franklin 165. The ad says brand new paint and a clean interior. To me, the pictures don't really show that. This one seems to be an A&P special. It hasn't flown since the engine overhaul and needs an annual. Comes with spare cylinders. Seller is losing the hangar, so it's priced to move. 3 1968 SIAI Marchetti S205 20R, $39,500, Tucson, Arizona. This one is cool. The Italian-built, 220 horsepower, Franklin with 521, since major overhaul, big useful load, roomy cabin, and cruises around 130 knots. ADS-B, JPI engine monitor, dual KX 155s, and solid times. Owned long-term, under shade, and well cared for. A surprisingly capable cross-country machine for the money. 4 1971 UTVA 66, $42,000, Ontario, Canada. A rare Yugoslavian-built STOL machine, the UTVA 66. Supercharged Lycoming GSO 480 making 340 horsepower, 1,100 hours. Total time, 1,200 pound useful load, Garmin radios, and a long list of restoration work over the last decade. If you want something weird, tough, and short field capable, this checks the box. 5 headliner for this week. PZL 104 Wilga 2000, $175,000, South Africa. The ultimate STOL Wilga 2000, the one everyone wants. Lycoming I 0540, 290 horsepower, 560 hours total time, and in beautiful shape. If you've dreamed of owning a Wilga, this might be the cleanest one on the market right now. Even if it's halfway across the world, a true bucket list airplane. That's it for this week's Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. If you spotted a gem or have a lead on a rare airplane, drop it in the comments. I might feature it next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help the channel climb higher. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and maybe on barnstormers too.